Battling mango worms, keeping your pets safe.
Hello everyone. Today we're discussing a crucial topic of concern for many pet owners, mango worms. These parasites can be quite a menace, causing discomfort and health issues for our furry friends. In this video, we'll learn about mango worms, how they affect our pets, and importantly, how to prevent their occurrence.
What are mango worms?
Mango worms, scientifically known as Cordylobeia anthropophaga, are a type of parasitic fly that's prevalent in tropical regions. Their larva stage is the cause of problems for pets, as the larvae burrow into the skin, causing discomfort and potential health issues.
How do pets get infected?
Pets get infected when they come into contact with soil or dust that's been contaminated with mango worm eggs. This usually happens when our pets are exploring outdoors, especially in areas where mango worms are common. The eggs hatch and the larvae then penetrate the skin of the host, causing an infection known as cutaneous myiasis.
How can we prevent mango worm infections?
Preventing mango worm infection is all about limiting your pet's exposure to the parasite. Here are some practical steps. 1. Limit outdoor activities. Restrict your pet's outdoor activities, especially in areas known to have mango worms. This reduces the chance of contact with the parasite. 2. Regularly clean your pet's environment. Ensure that your pet's environment, like their kennel or bedding, is cleaned regularly to remove any possible contaminations. 3. Prompt and proper disposal of feces. Dispose of your pet's feces promptly and properly, as it can attract flies, including the mango worm fly. 4. Use insect repellent. Use vet-approved insect repellents that are safe for pets to deter mango worms from approaching your pet. 5. Routine checkups. Regularly check your pet's body for any unusual lumps or bumps which might be a sign of a mango worm larva under the skin.
What to do if your pet is infected?
In case your pet gets infected with mango worms, it's important to consult a veterinarian immediately. Attempting to remove the larvae yourself may cause more harm than good. That's all for today's discussion on mango worms and how to prevent their occurrence in our pets. Remember, prevention is always better than cure, so follow these tips to keep your pets safe from mango worms. If you notice any signs of infection, don't hesitate to reach out to your vet. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and keep your pets healthy and happy.